Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fasten off your crochet project. This is a crucial step to finish your work neatly. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Once you've completed your last stitch, it's time to fasten off. First, make sure you have a few inches of yarn left to work with. Take your scissors and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Now yarn over with the tail end of the yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. Pull the yarn all the way through until the loop tightens into its knot. This secures your final stitch. To make sure your project doesn't come undone, you need to weave in the loose end. Take your yarn needle and thread the tail through it. Weave the yarn needle through a few stitches on the back of your work. Once you've woven in the end securely, take your scissors and trim any leftover yarn close to the fabric. Be careful not to cut your stitches. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.